Good morning. Today we're working on the groceries. I'm going to take you along my meal planning, the financial aspect of it, how I track our grocery stuff, organizing our fridge, all of it. This video is going to have it all. So right now we are in the office and we're looking at the spreadsheet for our spending. I've made the transactions too tiny for you to see for privacy, but I just wanted to show you our spreadsheet. So this is our monthly spending on our main spending account that we have. So we have a spreadsheet, we have the date, the transaction, and the debits are here, the credits are here, and then we keep a running total of our balance. And over on this right side, we have our spending for the month. So I have it broken down: gas, groceries, and others. I have some transactions to add to this to see where we're at so far, spending wise. So let me add those. You can do this on an app, but I just love doing it manually because it keeps me more accountable. Looks like we're at $710 for the month on groceries. My goal is to stay at $1,000. So we have $289.10 left for the entire month. I'm gonna try to stick to a $200 budget. That way I can have $89 for things that come up. This is what I had hoped to buy at Costco, but I deleted a few things thinking I only had $150 to spend. But now that I have $200 to spend, that is very freeing. I had gotten rid of almond butter, tuna, potatoes. I remembered this morning that I need olive oil. I might add back in one other item. Let's see, let's add tuna back. I know generally what my prices are at every store because I've been doing this so long, but in the beginning I kept a notebook of running totals of how much things cost at the different stores. So there you go. Okay, great. So now I have an idea of where we're at spending wise. I know what I'm working with today. And now I want to know how much food I'm working with because I want to see what we have so I have an idea of what we're cooking. That way, if I need to add anything to this initial list, I can tweak it from there. This list that I had of groceries is an ongoing list. As we run out of stuff, I just put it on the list. What I like to do is kind of have a Costco day where we're going to be shopping for the bulk stuff and then a Walmart pickup. And my Walmart pickup is very small and it's for stuff, ingredients for recipes and stuff. And so usually I'll do, I think it's a $35 threshold where you can go pick up stuff. So I'll do a $40 order about at Walmart. So I know my Costco, I have to leave some room for my Walmart spending. Okay, so I hope that's not too much all up front, but we've got our list of things we're out of. Now I'm gonna go take stock of what we have. So now I'm taking my food inventory sheet and writing down all the things that I found in the deep freezer. If you want one of these sheets too, just pull down the drop down menu. I've got a download link down there. Okay, my friends, let's go to the regular freezer. That was the deep freezer and the pantry and the fridge. Let's go to the kitchen. But first, let's take a moment to admire the baby. She's just been sleeping here and she's so sweet to let her mommy make a video. Yes, look, it's unicorns and she's got unicorn toes. It's so cute. Okay, I have to warn you, what I'm about to show you might horrify you. It's been a long time since I've cleaned out my freezer, my fridge. Who knows what's in here? But you know, just for the sake of honesty, transparency, and authenticity, I think we've all been there. So if images like this disturb you and stress you out, you might want to skip a few seconds ahead. Here we go. And welcome to my freezer. Well, we got some ice packs. And, oh, my son made these. They are these really amazing egg white fluffs. What are those called? Meringues, but they're so sweet that we just really can't eat them super fast. And already, we've got a frozen banana. This is a caramel Kringle from Trader Joe's, a pumpkin caramel Kringle, so good. But it's for Thanksgiving, so that's not going anywhere. And that freezes for a while. We got bones here. And this is loquat butter. It's a jam of sorts. We've got pinto beans. They're in the freezer because we don't go through them super fast. All right, writing down all the stuff that I saw in the freezer, at least the top shelf. Loquat butter. All right, and finally, we've got some herbs here, more loquat butter. I made a whole lot of that stuff. Spices, butternut squash soup, broth, and jalapenos. Was that as painful for you as it was for me? Oh, I feel sick showing this to you guys. My freezer is disgusting. All right, lesson in humility number 2, the refrigerator. Let's go. All right. Oh boy. Okay, leftovers. Oh wow, did not know that was in here. This is probably gone bad by now. I think it's okay. Yeah, it's fine. I gotta make muffins today. This is the juice pulp. But if I don't make this today, it will go bad. So I have to eat the soup today. And I have to make muffins today. Or we will lose them. Let's keep going. Eggs. I think this is an egg yolk again. I wonder if it's still good. I hate cleaning my fridge. Clearly. So I just had a baby, right? I'm still in the grace period. Yeah, I don't trust this. Oh! Why did I snip that? Okay. Maybe I just shaved off some time in purgatory. Who knows? Y'all, this is insane. Okay. Lemon. This drives me crazy. I didn't realize I had pancake batter. Here we go again. We're not eating that. What is this? Don't know. Science project. This is my grocery day takes all day long. Nope. I gotta clean this right now. This is disgusting. I can't even wait another second to clean this fridge. Okay. Let's clean the fridge real fast. Ta-da! Cheese drawer is cleaned out. Mexican cheese, Western cheese, ricotta cheese, and some cough drops, vitamin C drops, and elderberry drops. Down here, I've got cabbage, the carrots that I need to make muffins out of, the carrot shreds, some leftover spaghetti and meat sauce, and we've got some oatmeal here. Got some eggs, egg whites, tiny bit of almond milk, some milks, apple ginger kombucha, which I am staying away from because it's for my husband, but it's really hard because this looks so delicious and I just want to down it right now. We've also got a tiny bit of sauerkraut. In the produce drawer, I was shocked at how many vegetables I have. I have 5 zucchinis, some beets, spinach, squash, corn on the cob, eggplant, bell pepper, and ginger. And it's so funny when you start focusing on what you do have instead of what you're out of, your mindset shifts. So in here I just have a few oranges and lemons. I found this. It's like a giant question mark. I have no idea what it is, but I think my husband knows, and it seems like it's still good. This is whey for when I do ferments, and look out for a video on that soon. Sauces. This was so fun to go through because it kind of inspired me. I have some salad dressing and I have spinach in there, as you saw. I've also got, there's the baby. I've also got toasted sesame oil, which is delicious for fried rice. Hi, good morning. I'm gonna go ahead and feed Sweet Girl, and then we'll finish our fridge inventory. We'll do a quick pantry inventory, and then we'll probably eat lunch and then go to Costco. All right, we are eating lunch now. We still haven't made it to the grocery store. It is 1:36. It's not morning anymore. It is quite afternoon. My goal is to be at the grocery store around 2:30, maybe an hour. I think we can get there. Leave here in an hour. That's my goal. Leave here in an hour. So we're having lunch. We made soup out of the leftover vegetables that need to get finished, like the random vegetables. We had. You need vitamin C? Oh. Oh, he sees it because the cupboard is open right in front of me. So we had 3 carrots, 2 celery sticks. So I just chopped and like a square of onion, and I put it with garlic, and then I threw in, we had a can of chicken. So there's nothing like finishing your leftovers with soup. It's so easy. And then the bone broth that need to get eaten. It's really good. Now little Miss Maddie is eating her lunch. And do you guys ever feel like when you set out to do something and then you've been interrupted a lot, and you know, you've had life and stuff, it feels like there's so much resistance to what we want to do? The temptation can be to start texting your girlfriends, or watch a YouTube video, or, you know, just do something that is an anti-action, that isn't what you need to do. And so I just want to give you a little pep talk if you're having one of those days that usually the thing that's like, I really don't want to do that. That just seems like it would be so much effort. Like right now, it seems like so much effort to get everybody out the door and go to Costco. But that's exactly what I have to do. That's exactly what I set out today. So if I don't do that, I will be disappointed in myself, because I woke up knowing today's grocery store day, and I set aside, it was a very light day for homeschooling, so that we could do grocery store day. So if I were to sabotage myself and not do the grocery store, by the end of the day, I'll feel like, what did I get accomplished? And of course, plenty was accomplished. Like, you kept your kids safe, and, you know, you were a mom. I know. I'm not trying to be a jerk, but I also want to give a little tough love to myself and to anybody else who might need to hear it. Do it anyway, even though it feels like... Oh, speaking of resistance. What happened, Oliver? Why'd you bump your head? Because I told you to sit, you bumped your head. So when you feel resistance, there's a good chance that that's exactly what you're supposed to be doing. And press into that, even if it feels bad doing it. And I'm not saying to do it at all costs in spite of your family. Like, there's times where you have to simplify. But I'm just giving you some encouragement. If you're feeling some resistance today, dig into it. Don't run away from it. We're going to Costco. We are all done with our inventory. It's a big slop mess, but this is going to be very helpful when I meal plan. But I'm going to wait till we get home from Costco to do the meal planning when the kids are quiet and calm. We're ready to go to Costco. We just need shoes. I've got my little grocery list, and it's a perfect size. I'm just going to stick it to my phone. Right, Madeline? You got your shoes on?
Yeah.
But you need a match.
Yeah.
Go find a match. Close. Not quite. Not quite. We made it to the car. Yay! Okay, so...
I know.
Okay, so it's 3 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock. Do you think we can finish 14 items by 3:30?
Yes.
All right. We are working for frozen yogurt. We have an incentive here. So let's see if we earn our frozen yogurt. You guys are going to keep me on task, right? We're not going to get any extra stuff?
Yes.
Okay. I am so bad at this. And I haven't been to Costco in a long time, so
You don't know how to wait.
let's just stick to our list. Let's
go. Okay, we are here at Distraction Central. It is time for major temperance. We are just here for the list. Just the list, Lauren. So we earned our frozen yogurt, didn't we, boys?
Yeah, I thought it was ice cream.
Well, it's frozen yogurt, but yeah, it tastes like ice cream.
Icy.
Because you guys helped me, huh?
Yeah,
And we made it out with minimal extra things.
We made it back home, hooray! And I have the gentleman playing in the backyard, and I am offloading the groceries. I made it out without too many of those impulse buys. The only thing I did impulse buy was peanut butter, because I really like peanut butter, and it's so inexpensive. Oh well. Other than that, pretty good. She's ready for a diaper change and ready to eat. So we'll put away the frozen stuff.
All right, guys, it is finally time to meal plan. Hooray! So I'm just filling out my dates here because this is a blank calendar, and I'm going to be looking at all the things that I have on hand. I've already added the things I got at Costco to this list now. So this is my ingredients. And when I think of this list, I think of potential things that I can make, like those carrot ginger muffins. I know I have to make with those, with that pulp that I said I had to use. And I just write things that inspire me. Sourdough bread, ginger juice, sauerkraut. These aren't necessarily meals, but it gives me an inspiration for what I could cook. And then I just look at ingredients. I especially like looking at my sauces and my produce to give me specific inspirations. Once that's done, I put all my dinners on a dry erase board that I keep on my fridge so my family knows what's for dinner. I've got my lists written out for the extra stuff and done. God bless you guys. Bye.